everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to day 931 of trying a new makeup product every day. Today I'm trying out this MAC Satin lipstick that I got in my August 2020 Boxycharm premium box, and I am so excited that I can get MAC products in Boxycharm. I think that is so cool. And this retails for $19, but I got it as part of my $35 Boxycharm premium box, along with a lot of other awesome, expensive products. So if you haven't seen my unboxing of that, I'll have that video linked in the description down below. I got this in the shade Mocha, which I'm really excited to see how this color looks on me. But oh my gosh, the MAC lipsticks come in so many shades. They're just such a classic in makeup, I feel like. And I have tried out a MAC lipstick before, but I tried out a mini version of their Ruby Woo Red, which is such an amazing red lipstick. But I'm excited to be able to try out a full-size version and in a different shade. So pretty. Here's what that looks like. I'm gonna start out with a swatch. Ooh, I like this shade. It's like a nude red, if that makes sense. So it's got red tones, but then it's also kind of beige and pink. It's a really unique shade. It's almost like hard to describe, but it's really pretty, and I'm so excited to see how this is going to look on my lips. Which, wow, my lips are really dry right now. I mean, my lips are always dry, but they are exceptionally dry right now. Maybe I'm a little dehydrated today. I gotta drink more water because, wow, my lips look extra dry. Hopefully this lipstick will look good on top of my dry lips. So let's go ahead and see. I really like the pointy shape of this lipstick because I can use it as almost a lip liner to get precise shape. And it is a really nice creamy formula, but it doesn't glide on a lot. Kind of hard to explain, but it does kind of pull on the lips a little bit. But I feel like that just means that it'll stick to the lips more and maybe last a little bit longer than those lipsticks that glide right on and are a little bit more slippy and sleek. But ooh, I really like this color. I just feel like this shade is a mix of everything. It's all seasons, it's any time of day, it's pink, it's red, it's brown. It's just, I don't know why I'm having such a hard time describing this color, but I really like it. I think it's flattering. Here I go again. It's neutral, but it's also still a little bit of a pop. So I'm just really excited about this. And it looks so good on my dry lips. You can't tell at all that my lips were dry. It's full opaque, even, smooth color, which feels really comfortable and hydrating. And it has that satin finish, which is a little shiny, more like a cream finish, which I find very flattering for a lipstick. The color is not what I would really think of when I hear the name Mocha. I would expect that to be more tan, but I am really happy with this shade. Like, it's not exactly a shade that I would have chosen out of the range of MAC satin lipsticks, but now that I have it on and now that I have it in my collection, this will definitely be a shade that I reach for a lot. Now, I want to do a kiss test and see the transfer. Yeah, you get the full transfer there, but like I was saying, it sticks to the lips really well. So it is 100% intact on my lips still. It's still opaque, the color hasn't faded, so that's really impressive for a bullet stick lipstick like this to have that much transfer but still be completely intact. So I'm really a big fan of the MAC Satin lipstick formula. So this was so awesome to get in my Boxycharm box. If you have tried out the MAC Satin lipstick, I would love to know your thoughts on it and if you have any favorite shades. There's a reason this lipstick is so high rated and classic because it really is so good. Seriously, one of the best lipsticks in the bullet lipstick classic lipstick form that I have tried. So in my opinion, the MAC lipsticks live up to the hype. Thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.